As chip designs become more complex and manufacturing demands increase, the semiconductor industry is heavily relying on advanced software tools. These tools are not only enhancing the design process but also revolutionizing manufacturing and testing operations. Computer-aided design, or CAD software, has integrated machine learning to predict the impacts of design changes and optimize chips even before they are manufactured. This results in faster prototyping and reduced costs. Meanwhile, process simulation software allows engineers to digitally craft and refine semiconductor fabrication processes like lithography and etching, optimizing for quality and yield before production starts. Yield management software, a vital tool in the semiconductor industry, has significantly improved its capabilities. These tools can now predict defects and enhance production yields by utilizing big data analytics. This advanced technology quickly identifies and resolves issues, ensuring higher quality outputs and boosting overall productivity. Verification tools are now more crucial than ever. They ensure that complex integrated circuits perform flawlessly under all conditions through rigorous testing and simulation, providing reliability in increasingly sophisticated chip architectures. In logistics, supply chain and inventory management software provide real-time oversight, helping to predict and manage the complexities of global semiconductor supply chains. It ensures that production lines are never idle and resources are allocated efficiently. These software tools have diverse use cases. They range from designing and testing chips for AI and automotive applications, optimizing manufacturing processes for better throughput, and conducting detailed failure analysis to improving chip designs. These tools enable real-time quality control during production, identifying and correcting defects instantly. As we look to the future, integrating AI across more semiconductor design and manufacturing aspects promises even more incredible advancements. From predictive maintenance to enhanced automation and efficient resource management, the next generation of software tools will continue to drive innovation, productivity, and adaptability in the semiconductor industry.